Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to play games on Khan Academy. So the first step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in Khan Academy and scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now you have to first log into your account, and after you log in, you can see search bar on the navigation bar, click on it and type in browse project. Now simply click on this browse projects option here. Now after you open, then you can see different games option here. Click on both and here you can see other cool game here. For an example, I'll show you how to play this Doodle Jump on Khan. Simply click on this Doodle Jump. Here you can see the code of this game. Now to play the game, simply click on enter and you can enjoy this game. So this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.